Hello, in front of me I've got F1 2025. In this video I'll tell you if there is a photo or replay mode for content creators. In order to check it, enter any race and go to menu. Go to Instant Replay or Rewind, and here you can enter photo and camera options. You can change camera, rewind, disable HUD, and to take photo, press Options button. In photo mode, you can change capture type, size, change axis and preset. Next, you can target driver or other drivers. You can edit camera, change camera roll, exposure, depth of field mode. You can add effects, overlays, time of day, and adjust tire. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.